everyone, my name is sorry, I stopped. Everyone, my name is Owen, and today we have the Dyson cordless. Oh my gosh, where is? Oh my gosh, it is. No, I can't. Sorry, I can't find it. But yeah, so. I have it apart. I have all the attachments. I couldn't get the wall mount on the charger because it's hanging in my room. Okay. So when you have to credit to my dog had to chew this end. That's my dog there. And a little bath. Okay. So now you have this, your adjustable cleaning upholstery thing, attachment. There we go. Now you have this because I'm going to empty it. And you have this. I just tried to clean it out, but maybe not. Or maybe it looks like I didn't. Stop. Yeah, so and here's the Dyson. Here is the wand for the Dyson. The Dyson. Stop. There's the clip. And then here is the Dyson itself. So here's the max mode. It is charged. It's on low right now. There's the cyclones. Now when James Dyson, it's cool that he could like deliver cyclones. And never mind. But I love Dyson. I'm a huge fan of Dyson. I love Dyson. My computer has a background of Dyson. I've been using it a little bit. Okay. So, 1 minute, let me just pause. Okay, so sorry about that. I just want to. Can you hold this and put it like this, Taylor? Hold it and put it like this. Okay. Let me just empty it. Oh, look, gum. Ew. There's a little bit of dog hair, fine dust. That dust was in there forever. Not forever days from school. It's almost forever. Thank you. So, that's all it sucked up. I only like vacuumed here on low, so one it can go on like to desktop mode or like that mode, or you need to get it in to the car cracks or your knocks and crannies. Just go like this. So yeah, and then you have your thing. So I'm going to just put the actual thing. So I put the thing together. It's on low right now. Just gonna put the attachments right there. So now I'm going to go downstairs. And so that's pretty good. Bye guys, this is me, Owens.